up, YouTube? Back at it for today's episode. We'll be attending the 2023 Nanjo Classic Car Meet Car Show. So after the intro, check it out. はいさい、マイケル・バンツです。今日のエピソードは2023年の南城の旧車のイベントに行くので、イントラントぜひ見てください。Peace! Wow, nice Supreme bike, scooter. Got Tomy cars, Hot Wheels. I wish they had my truck. Got some Fuchsia parts. Oh, really?
Yeah. Why one needs
Nice rims. Wow. Wow. Toyo pets. Wow. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. Got a Datsun right here. Wow. Bluebird. Wow. Is that a Mark II? Wow, it's a classic Mark II. Crazy. Nice. Got some more fleet market over here. Ooh, we got a Risto. Toyota Risto. Bad. Look at the price if you guys want to buy it. I'll beg my wife to buy this. Wow, look at the camera on that. Crazy. Jesus. That is another classic. Auto Service, check them out. MR2. Wow. Look at this little Honda. Nice. We got a Starlet. Nice. I want to check this little one out. Honda Life, wow. Honda Life. Sorry, the interior. Yeah, it started. What is that, a Carina? This is a Carina, right? This one is Carina too, yeah. Toyota Carina. Nice. These wagons are pretty awesome. They're getting pretty popular nowadays. Got a truck. Maybe? Or no, Paprika. Got a Sunny right here. Awesome. This one has a bike in the back. Let me get that. Nice. Sunny. Got another beautiful Sunny right here. We got a Silica. Hachiroku. Torino. right here. Was that an R30, R31 Skyline? Beautiful. Another one right here. Classic here. These are classics now. Got the BBS. Cedric, Nissan Cedric. S13. Hachiroku 11. Toyota Celica. Is that a RX-3? Oh yeah. Wow. Damn. Rotary crew. I wonder why they didn't make it in. How small. Wow, Nissan too. That is so cool. Wow. Wow. That is so cool. かっこいいっす。
はい、バス。はい。
わー、すごい。
1964。
わー。
全然開けますか、エンジニアさん。いいですか、いいですよ、ペン。
わー。すごい。
じゃあどうぞ運転席どうぞ。
あ、いいです。あ、
どうぞいいですよ。
ありがとうございます。
おお、good time.
Wow.
Where you taking me?
Alright, ready to go? Wow. Cool. Alright, we're about to ride the bus. Classic bus. Close the door.
真ん中入ってるところ、あっちで、じゃあ逆の車回すか。
まだいいんじゃないですか。水色そう
ああ、そこね、はい。
そこ真ん中に。
そんなのも左遷さらも大丈夫。はい。一応真ん中入ってます。
わ
サイド降りますよね。
ありがとうございます。Wow, that was awesome experience. Yeah. Nice, Kim Mary. Dude, that was so awesome. Got a Ford Mustang. 1965 Mustang. Nice. MSD. Beautiful. Oh, this is the rental car I was talking about.
This one?
Yeah, MG, yeah. Okinawa Samurai was doing. Yeah, this is the one he was riding. Yeah, he was. He opened up and he was saying he was the one that bought it and everything. I think you can rent these at like Yomayan or something like that. Nice. Wow. Got a purple Hakoska. Yeah. Nice. Got more stuff over there. Ducky Motors. Oh, what is this? Mazda? Wow. Oh yeah. Starlet? No, no Mazda. So what is it? What is it? Nice rims. Wow, awesome interior. Familia, right? Wow. Dude, never seen this before. That's awesome. Got some bikes. Got Bluebird.
This one was for sale, not for mine.
Yeah. 1600cc, wasn't it? Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Look at this GTR. Wow. Sweet. That's a real R. Still beautiful. Super beautiful. We got another Hakoska here. Ooh, don't forget these two. Cedric, classic Cedric right here. Skyline Japan. What's this? Savannah, right? Yeah. What is this? Bluebird? Got some Bluebird. Left-hand drive. Wow, left-hand drive. Oki. It might be the original. Wow. Daihatsu. Yeah, military. Yeah, when it was U.S. territory. Yeah. So this is like the super rare. They made it just for Okinawa, right? Paprika. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Paprika. I don't know what this is called. My father-in-law knew quite a bit about these. Oh, GTR. Nice. Oh, wow. Crazy? Yo, I bet. You got a Japan skyline here. Japan. Turbo. Automatic and it's oh yeah. Wow. Automatic but still. I love it. I love it. Yeah. La Gloria. Nice. Which one? Really? Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't know he has a classic. Really? The radio guy, right?
Yeah.
Shit. Wow.
He's been posting a lot of pictures.
Nice. Man, I didn't know he liked classics. That's awesome. Man, a lot of Hakoskas, huh? There's quite a bit of Hakoskas in Okinawa. Yeah. The Homono. They should have left that. Yeah, right? Original. The GT. Right? Busy. Japan skyline. This is the stockiest one I've ever seen. Got a Fair Lady Z. This one's so beautiful. Yeah. The grandpa seat. Yeah. Wow. I love the rear, the Japan's rear, the round lights area.
They just to steal the lights.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Well, they used to take that light and put it in another car. Because back in the day, like you said, they were not very popular.
Yeah, exactly. The Japan and the R30 wasn't that popular, but now.
So yeah, the engines, the rear for the lights.
Wow, look at these twins. Twins, yeah.
Watanabe's, man, always make it.
Oh, this one with the 26.
Oh, that's the one we saw.
Yeah, the 26, yeah. The RB26 and this one. This is the, got more flea market stuff. Ooh, a lot of Hot Wheels right here. Hot Wheels, yeah. Toys. Got some bike parts over here. Got some nice bikes, beautiful bikes. Look at this Jeep. Wow. Bike. Amazing. Wow. Porsche 911 maybe?
はい、皆さんステージに来たらうちはどんどん配りますから、今日うちは無料配布でございます。ちょっと足にご紹介をしております。
Mini Cooper truck. Nice lineup right here. Oh, look at that, look at that. Say hi. We got coupe right here. We got an open top. I don't know what that is. We got a Sunny truck. Got Peter's Sunny. Look at that beautiful clean engine bay. Peter working his butt off right there. On his mind. All new front lip. Got the little 720 Tommy car. Jeff's Datsun 620, the bike in the back. Look at that, awesome. We got this drift car, 620, Datsun 520. Some bikes in the back. Got some Yamahas. Left-hand drive. Floor shift. This is USDM. Datsun by Nissan. That's how you can tell it's a USDM. We got a right here Datsun Sunny. 2-door. Left-hand drive, beautiful. We got another Datsun 4-door, Sunny, nice. We got a Datsun wagon, Sunny wagon, beautiful. That is so awesome wagon. Got the original Okinawa plate. Oki plate. Nice. Got Jefferson's bike right here. CBR. Look at that. Got some Hakushka. Beautiful Kid Mary. Got another Japan. Wow. Got some rims. We got John here. Yeah, there you go with your sign.
The hottest on the earth,
Dang, you got it all right now.
Mike, and I left stuff at home.
What?
I forgot the hardware, brother.
Oh,
I went in
man.
this box, I forgot the whole box of hardware.
Really?
Yeah. Definitely did.
Damn. So what dance you gonna do today?
Huh?
What dance you gonna do today?
I don't know yet, bro. If I sell half of this, I ain't gonna go home.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be the happy dance. Bro.
Okay.
It's gonna be wipe me down with a little carton in it.
All right, looking forward to that.
All right,
Definitely. Check that out, Volkswagen. Got some vendors. First, you got some food trucks. Look at that go-kart. Sick. Got a Skyline, R31, Japanese lip style. SL. Sound system. These guys do awesome tuning service and all that stuff. Speakers, customized stuff. Got a low rail. Chaser. Oh shit, badass. Got a Verosa. Got another low rail. S13. S15. Got a Mark II. Oh, look at this beauty right here. Look at that, we got a wagon. bike right now. Check it out. First time, Peter? Oh, you're gonna enjoy it. Trust me. Alright, Peter. You gotta do the Peter, Piper, Picker, Pan dance. Go. Pick up pen, Peter Piper, pick up pen, Peter Piper, Peter Piper, Peter Piper, pick up pen. Wow, look at this, very rare Toyota Corona Mark II truck. This is super rare. Holy shit. Got the Mark II badge. Clean. Really see the interior. Wow. Look at this one. 4-door. Wagon, high ace. This is an old school high ace. Damn. Roomy too. Damn, look at that seat. Holy moly. Holy moly. Right? Wow. Boso bikes right here. Crazy. I like the purple one. That's a good enough height for me. Wow. Amazing. Bluebird. 510. Oh, look at them trumpets. Huge. Solix. Wow.
Oh no, he made it look.
Yeah, it looks like yeah. You probably use sandpaper now. Look at that old school. Oh, that was the one? This was on Okinawa Summer, I think. This purple one, right? Yeah, I think he was driving it. They went to go to the mountains to look for Habu. Nice. All white. Really? A girl? Wow. A lonely truck. What are you doing here? Got the Hawaii style. Yeah. TRD high ace. Wow. It has a wide body too. Check this out. Ricardo baby seat. Wow, look at that big TV. Perfect. Wow, this has to bang. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Look at that muffler. Wow. Look at that K car. Deco truck. Hey, huge bumper. Right? That has like 2 bumpers. Ooh, that's a nice color. Purple with the chrome, that pops. Wow. Wow. Gizmo, can you get your bike?